Hello. In today's video, we'll discuss how to create an Opportunity Zone Fund. Watch the video until the end to learn the detailed procedure to go about this and more. The initial step in gaining Opportunity Zone Fund status is to establish your entity as a partnership, corporation, or limited liability company (LLC). The Opportunity Zone Fund status is restricted to these entities, so it's necessary to establish your entity as an eligible party legally. You will also need to file an IRS return as one of the mentioned entities. Additionally, the entity must be organized to invest in qualified Opportunity Zone property. This means the organization must comply with the laws of the 50 states, the District of Columbia, a United States possession, or a federally recognized Indian tribal government. Finally, the entity must hold at least 90% of its assets in qualified Opportunity Zone property. This is determined by the average percentage of assets it holds in the Qualified Opportunity Fund, as recorded on the last days of the first and last halves of the fund's tax year. And that's it. Creating an Opportunity Zone Fund is that simple. Thanks for watching. Till next time.